Hey everyone, welcome to V Designs. Well, after so long time, I'm here with another video with new design. So today in this video, I'm going to design Japanese classical architecture, that is Himeji Palace, which is situated in Kyoto. This palace is counted in one among the World Heritage Sites, like the past one, Turkey Mosque or Blue Mosque. This palace is situated in the capital city of Kyoto in Japan. This castle or this palace is also called as White Palace because of its white, elegant, aesthetic appearance. This palace was built or completed in 1400s. By the time, by different clans, it was enlarged. This palace has survived many earthquakes, fires, wars, and it is still standing tall, and it is also considered one among the 12 important castles of the city of Japan. If you are going to visit Japan and if you are going to visit this palace, then the best season to visit or the best time to visit is early April, because in this season or in these days you can see the cherry blossom surrounded uh, to the castle, or the castle is surrounded with these cherry blossom trees, and if you want to see those cherry blossoms you can visit the palace in the early April. This palace was built in 17th century by many architects, but before other architects, the first founder or the first one who built this castle on Himayama Hill. Eventually, by the time when different clans came into the throne, they remodeled this castle. Many architects added extra stories to this castle. Later, it was remodeled and again it is called as Heimji Palace. Well, Japanese architecture is different kind of architecture. The Japanese architecture comprises of many smaller detailings. This palace has 83 buildings, in which 71 buildings are considered to be the important assets of the palace. And this palace is at a height of 302 feet above the sea level. Well, in my drawing, I'm just considering the front elevation of the palace or the one side elevation. In Japanese architecture, the main design that complements the whole elevation is the roof area. The roof is completely different when compared to other structures. Usually, in Islamic architecture, you can see the dome shaped roofs, but in Japanese architecture, you can see a gabled or hip shaped roof. The roof details are classified as hip roof or gable roof or hip and gable shaped roof or pyramidal roof. So hip and gable shaped roof are majorly considered. This hip and gable roof structure is called as irimoyo and hogyo. As you can see, I have finished my design with a pencil. Now I'm going to draw with the drawing pen or architectural pen. It is a pinpoint ball pen which is in black color. So I'm just designing all the boundary lines to define the structure. After this designing, I'll go for the detailing. Well, like Japanese architecture is also very clean and sleek. Well, the Japanese are well known for their cleanliness and disciplinary behavior. Even their schools, the teaching method is different when compared to other countries. And if you visit Japan, if you visit the local markets or streets or city or any public transportation places, you can see it is completely clean. In the latest FIFA World Cup held in Qatar, the Japanese fans were seen cleaning the stadiums. The football players, after every match, they left their dressing area very clean and organized. Well, I have finished the rough sketch. Now I'll go for the detailings. So the detailings will be done for the roof, because as I said, the roof structure of the Japanese architecture is really outstanding. It upholds its culture, and it upholds or it complements the whole elevation of the structure.
Kimi no naka ni aru aka to aoki sen,それらが結ばれるのは真の像。風の中でも負けないような声で届ける言葉を今は育ててる。時は枕木、風は肉肌、星はうぐすな、人はかげろう。なんで泣いてるのと聞かれ答えれる。 一つじゃ足りない叫び君だけに触れた時にだけ震えた心があったよ意味をいくつ超えれば僕らはたどりつけるのかな愚かさでいい醜さでいい正しさのその先で
Well, this is very tiring because detailing of this structure is not so easy, but still, well, my design is almost complete. But this is very complicated design. I'm just drawing the one-sided elevation. As I have said, it is very complicated and it is very huge. So I'm just showing you one-sided elevation, and the whole roof structure defines the architectural elevation. And as you see, the design is in ascending order. It is not on the same level, it is not correctly aligned, it is in ascending order, but the design is very sleek and completely different.